Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a different kind of video because I recently went shopping, but I went thrift shopping. So it's kind of like a haul. Girl, yo boys. It's kind of like a haul try on type of video, and I hope y'all enjoy because, well, if you don't, you don't, but I'm hoping you do. So this weekend my hubby took me shopping at one of my favorite thrift stores. It's called Uptown Cheapskate. I think they have a few like around the states. I'm not sure if it's just a Texas thing. It might be, I don't know, but it's one of my favorite thrift stores. So really, like, they only take clothes in that are not used more than once, or they're like really good quality. It's not like those other thrift stores that just take whatever they can get their hands on. Not throwing anything out there, because your girl loves Goodwill and all kinds of thrift stores, but this is one of my favorites, and I'm gonna get into that and show y'all what I got. So they were having an event, and you can fill up a bag like this big. I threw away the bag, but you can fill up like a bag like this big, and you, whatever you can fit in it, you only have to pay $15 for. And I went kind of late because I blame it on him, okay? But I went kind of late, so I didn't find that much good stuff like I do the other times. And I didn't have a YouTube before then, but if I did, y'all would have seen I found like Nike, Under Armour, American Eagle, and I found like really good stuff that I really liked. But this time it was kind of like, eh. I mean, for $15 for all this, it's a good steal. So I'm gonna start off with the bags. Now, this is so cute. When I saw it, I was like, how come nobody got it? To put in your purse, and then you have like your lipstick and your powder for the day. And I thought that was cute, so there's that. Yeah, now, before you drag it, because I know it ain't that pretty, you gotta imagine the kind of outfits that this purse would go with. So this is what we got, and then it has like that orangey rustic color, and that's what kind of got my attention. And it's super clean. It has like black and white stripes on the inside, and I mean, you can't beat it when the whole thing is for $15. So there's that. Found this really cute like tribal scarf. It's that kind of fabric that you can use during the summer. So, by the way, if you go thrift shopping, even if it's like one of those really fancy consignment stores, make sure you wash the clothes when you get home, because even when you go regular to the mall, make sure you wash them clothes, because you never know who's tried that on. So there's that. This is one of my favorites. This is so cute. So I've been needing belts because I used to have a bunch of cute little Western belts. I found this one, and it's so cute. Look at it. And it goes like that, and you can wear it like around a dress or a skirt. That's what I had in my mind when I saw it. I thought it would look so cute with a skirt and then my cowgirl boots like for the summer. So I was really excited when I saw this. Next, oh, and then I found another little belt. You can put this like around like big old shirts like around your waist, or like I said, with the skirts and the dresses and whatnot. So this is a little bit like old-fashioned, but like I said, when you go to thrift stores, you gotta think in your mind, how can I make this outfit work, and how can I make it me? And I don't know if y'all are like fans of Miranda Lambert, but she has a clothing line, and it's called Ivy Wynn. Baby, I'm coming for you. And I love their clothes, but girl, to pay $60 for one shirt, no, boo-boo. So I am going to copy the style by thrift shopping and make it work, because I love that whole Western look. So there, I found this shirt, and it's so cute, and all the beads are still on there. and it has a little thing, and I would wear this to like a concert. And this is Beat and Beat. I never heard of that brand. And then this really caught my eye. It is inside out. It's so cute. Like with these earrings, this is what I would wear with like some with like these earrings, some blue jeans, and then my cowgirl boots, and maybe a cowgirl hat, or like my hair up like in a tight bun with like the sides hanging out. That would be super cute. Next thing I got is a dress. Like, since summer's on the way, I like to wear dresses, but since I have like super thunder thighs, you know, it's hard for me to find dresses. But this is a cute little wavy dress, and I would wear it with like a blue jean jacket, and then blue's my favorite color, so it works. I found this, and it was in my size large. I've always wanted one of these bras like to wear with my see-through shirts, so I found this. But you know what? I've seen girls wear it without a shirt. Like, they go all out Bustier Selena 1993 style on it. And I think it's kind of cute. I would if I had like a flatter stomach and my stretch marks were more faded. But I would rock one. And then these, I believe this one, and I'm wearing this one right now. This is also that I got from the thrift store. But then they also had this one, and these are from Torrid. I know Torrid is for like the bigger plus size women, but I had an idea when I saw these because they're like too big for me. It could be like a cute little dress with the shoulder popping out, and that's why I'm rocking it right now. This one really caught my eye. It's so cute. It's like a little tribal looking shirt. Not tribal, what would you call that? It really caught my eye, especially the colors. The whole hippie vibe was cute. And then this one's like, you're gonna think, ugh, like, ugh, that's so ugly. That looks like something a Hooters girl would wear from like 2002. Girl, I think it's cute. It's okay, it's my style, calm down. But this is something that I would rock like at an Aaron Lewis concert or an Alan Jackson concert. Like, you know what? Or even my girl Miranda Lambert, I would wear this to her concert. And it was so cute with Chicago boots and some ripped jeans. It would look cute. Like, just think about it in your head. Then last but not least, I got me some jeans because I really need some jeans. It's hard for me to find jeans, especially Levi jeans. They work the best for my body, but they're expensive. And luckily I found some big because I got a big butt. And this is what they look like. Jeans, I'm gonna cut them up, make them into ripped jeans. If you want a video on how to do that, let me know in the comments. I got just some regular jeans. These are by the brand Carbon. But what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna make them into shorts since summer's coming and it's gonna be super hot. And then I found these other Levi's, but they're shorts. And I'm gonna also cut these up and like make them into ripped jeans looking shorts. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that on for y'all, and or make y'all like a little, what do you call it? Little modeling compilation, thick modeling, fat girl modeling. I don't know, but you're gonna see a lot of meat. hope y'all enjoyed today's video, like this little haul, like my little modeling compilation. I'm sorry if you can have nightmares and scars, but I currently feeling a little bit more confident about myself, and I am gonna start trying to make myself healthier. So, in ending on that note, I hope y'all have a beautiful, blessed day.